Web traffic goes MLM. You gotta love it because as an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, anybody in the make money online niche needs more eyeballs in front of their ads, in front of their offers, because if you don't have people looking at your opportunities or your affiliate programs or network marketing companies that you're part of, your links, you're not going to make any money. And it is one of the easiest things to sell online because of that fact. There are so many people looking to make more money from home, and they all need more traffic. They all need places where they can connect with other marketers, and that is where daily ads comes in. We absolutely love daily ads and what this owner has came up with. In fact, I talked to him on the phone today, and he has so many things in store for daily ads. Daily ads is not even a month old, but again, it is one of the easiest things to sell because everybody trying to make money online, no matter what you're trying to sell, needs more web traffic. And that's exactly what daily ads is about. And there will be many more caveats to daily ads as it morphs into what it's fully going to be. Because, like I said, I talked to the owner. I've talked to him several times by email and by phone today. He is an actual developer, programmer. That is his background. And he has many things in store for this. But one of the things that it has here, and why I say web traffic has gone MLM, is because there's not one matrix. There is going to be 3 matrices, which is incredible in itself because it allows you to stair step, or people that come in with little to no experience can stair step their way to earning income from daily ads, as well as expose their other offers. Now, I've done other videos about the advertising that's available throughout these tabs on the left-hand side in the different features of daily ads, and there's so much more to come that I don't even haven't even mentioned on any of the videos yet. By the conversation I had with the owner today, it absolutely is going to be an amazing ride with daily ads, because of the fact that not only can you get that advertising you need, but you can also make a lot of money from daily ads itself. It is like a one true system that can give you exposure to all your other offers and can get you making money through a stair-step method. Because the first matrix, the bronze matrix, is a 2x5, very small matrix. And the thing about this is, if you're used to getting fast start commissions, like every site that's like $25, $30 to join, $28 to join, most of them all offer $25 fast start commissions. Now that's great. I'm part of sites like that, like Well Step by Step, AI Viral Downline. In Great Life Worldwide, we make big fast start commissions because people purchase other products, and that's all great. With this system, every person you refer as a bronze member that upgrades, because it's free to join. Daily Ads is free to join. I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on it, join, check it out, come in the back office, explore everything that's back here. And if you decide it's right for you, you upgrade to bronze. But what that does is every time somebody upgrades to bronze, you get a $5 recurring commission. Now, it's a proven fact that people keep stuff longer at a $10 price point. Well, it actually costs $11 with like a $1 admin fee monthly. And what will happen is every person you refer, you will get paid $5 recurring commission every single month that person holds their membership. Not a one-time fast start commission, but recurring. And then you can earn up to $99 from this very, very small matrix of a 2x5. And you get all these other advertising methods to advertise some of your favorite other things, or if you're in one thing, whatever it is, you get to advertise that, and you get more advertising as a bronze member than you do as a free member, because that's what the site is all about, is helping you to advertise, but also they need to make money, and the people referring people need to make money, of course. So that's bronze. Now, it's a stair-step method. So bronze now, anybody can afford $10 a month to get started in a business of their own. You stair-step your way to silver, meaning you can sit at bronze all you want and refer other people until you're ready to go to silver. Now, me, I went bronze, silver immediately, and if gold was available, I would have already done it, because I don't want to be leapfrogged. And when you are committed to making money, I mean, these aren't expensive fees we're talking about here. There's no admin fee, no nothing like that. And silver is $27 a month, but silver allows you to earn up to $8,718 a month. And remember, as you refer people, you still make $5 per person monthly plus the bronze. And you have to purchase the bronze first. Like I said, it's a stair step. Next is silver. Now, you can purchase both right away, or you can wait. That's up to you. But in the silver matrix, that's a little bit bigger one. But again, it's very small, which is great, because that helps every member build and earn, and an effort from spillover can literally give people more money, because you don't have to personally refer the people in order to get paid from the bronze matrix or the silver matrix. They can come from your upline, like me, John, above us, the company, your downline, and you still earn what the number of money per person per level, no matter who refers them. So this is a 3x7 structure, and literally it holds roughly 3,000 people, and you can make over $8,000 monthly because it pays so high per person per level. Look at that. First 3 people in your silver level, $2 per person. Next level, $2, $4 per person, $4, $4, $4, $2 per person. And this is a forced matrix. So this allows everything to flow down that the company does and every person does. Each level gets filled, and it keeps on flowing down, filling in the structure and helping you to earn money even faster. Now, we've had people who have joined us in the last, like I said, it hasn't even been a month since we joined it. This thing just went into pre-launch, launched, and we've had people already refer 100 people, 80 people, 40 people, 20 people. Because of the fact, again, web traffic, website traffic is one of the easiest things to sell online, because everybody has an opportunity. So when people see and understand the full scope of this thing, yeah, they come in and go bronze and silver immediately. And if gold was available, they'd be going gold immediately right after that. Why? Because there's so much potential of what this can do for you besides getting advertising to whatever else you're doing. I mean, just these 2 matrices, you're looking at, over $9,000 roughly a month if you're referring people monthly from these 2 matrices. And then gold, this one, I can't wait for this to come out, because this is where some real big money is going to be made. The gold matrix. I mean, anybody looking to make an extra $500 a month, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000, $8,000, whatever it is, any of that kind of stuff can change many different people's lives depending upon where they're at in life currently. So, a lot of people don't look at the stuff like, I need to earn $1 million. And for most people, that's not believable in the first place. But this is a true stair-step method where people can come in for only $10 a month at the bronze level, start earning in this matrix, make $5 per referral, and make money in the matrices, whether they refer people or not. Silver can make up to over $8,000 a month. And when gold comes out, I'm sure the math will be very nice. And once it comes out, we will go gold immediately. And that's the thing. This thing is new. If you want to capitalize on momentum, you want to capitalize on growth, the time to get in is now. It's not to wait. It's not to wait to see what it does. Because people join traffic sites all the time to get more traffic. We refer people to traffic sites. I mean, we have for 20 some years, because every opportunity that we ever promoted, every one of those people ask us, hey, how do I promote? Where can I get traffic? I don't have any experience getting traffic. I don't know where to get it. And that's why this is such an easy sell, because it is an absolute no-brainer, so that they can not only make money by being upgraded, even if they don't sponsor somebody, they don't choose to sponsor people, they're going to get more advertising. I mean, we've had conversions from the advertising on this site already. And, you know, just like the banners, I'm going there right now. We've had 10 plus 42 is 52 clicks, plus 15 more is 67 clicks off just adding these banners, which was recently, because that feature just came out, which is more features coming. And we have literally signed up 5 people to another opportunity that we promote called Wealth Step by Step from just these banner advertising. Now, will yours convert like ours do? I don't know. My banners convert. I use them. And it helps us make more money. So it's already paid for the upgrades in the site that we've done, because we get paid matrix commissions and fast start commissions and Wealth Step by Step as well. So I wanted to do this video tonight and get this done, because, you know, web traffic going MLM is, you know, this is like the first legit website traffic site that I've ever seen go MLM. There's been some others along the way over the years I've seen, but they pale in comparison to what this site is doing, and the stair-step method and the forced matrix comp plans. There's been no sites like that even compared in the slightest bit. So yeah, we are super stoked about this, and we are absolutely crushing it, and our team is absolutely crushing it. If you haven't joined us yet, make sure you go join it. At least check it out for free and get inside here and look around. I'll leave a link again, like I said, below this video in the description. Just click on more, click on it, go join, check it out. Play around with the advertising, upgrade to bronze. You're talking $11 a month, and actually dig in, and you're going to be surprised and very happy that you did. Other than that, my friends, we'll see you in another video, and have a great day.